Hi guys, today we are going to make a super beautiful idea and very fast in crochet. I will start by making the magic ring. After making the magic ring, we're going to work in here. 5 single crochet. Following, close the magic ring. And I make 1 slip stitch on the first stitch. After that, I make a chain, short or wired. And now I'm going to work with another wire color. I will insert the needle here at the first stitch. After closing, looking for a new color. I get the leftovers of wire. Wire loop, input at the same stitch as the base. I am looking for bow wire. I shoot the 3 straps forming 1/2 double crochet. I make 1 chain. In the next stitch, introduce the needle, works a slip stitch. Then I make 1 chain. Tie the thread, inserting the needle at the same stitch. I look for the wire, loop and pull the 3 straps forming the 1/2 double crochet. Make a chain. And we're going to repeat this all around. Here we are going to make 1 more petal on top of that slip stick of the previous row. And we will take a total of 6 petals. I will finish by making 1 chain and 1 slip stitch right here on the first petal. After finishing, finish off the leftovers with tapestry needle. Now I will make the magic ring. I make 1 bow chain. Work 1/2 double crochet. 1 chain. 1 slip stitch. Let's make those same petals we did before. And here you can do between 0.5 and 0.6 petals. After finishing all petals, no. I will close my magic ring completely. And let's raise 1 string. With chains, I will work here. On average 15 chains. You can do more or less. After making all the chains, we are going to unite these little flowers. Here I made one total of 5 little flowers for my piece. You can do less or more. I turn the little flower upside down. And here I will do a union with this chain. Here in the wrong part, I will insert the needle into any of the petals. Here in parallel, I pick up a mousse and strike it with a slip stitch. Now I will walk to the next petal. For chain, I arrive here on the parallel petal and I make one slip stitch. After that, you can separate each flower with one chain, or leave no separation. And here I will match all the flowers. This way, I pick up the wrong side of the piece. I introduce the needle. In one of these naps, I make the slip stitch. Then work 4 chains. Will also depend a lot on the size of your flower to reach the other end. Coming here on the next petal, I make one slip stitch. And I'm working uniting all the flowers. This way. After joining all the little flowers, I will do the same amount of chains I made there in the beginning. So I made a total of 15 chains. And here we are going to make a little more chains. We are going to do the same amount of chains, 1 or 2 more chains. I made one more chain. I will skip this first chain. I come next. And here, we're going to work that little flower. I will make 1 half double crochet. 1 chain. Come back in the same space. I make 1 slip stitch. 1 chain. 1 half double crochet to form between 5 or 6 petals. This is the result of our crochet piece today. This beautiful accessory that you can also turn into one tiara. Until more.